What's up YouTube, it's Tech Talk Tim, and today we're going to be talking about the Eufy RoboVac15C Max. Okay, so let's do an unboxing. Okay, so in the box you will receive a remote control with some batteries. Got a spare filter, a little cleaning tool. We've got 4 brush attachments, so 2 go on the device and 2 are spare, so that's nice. And we have this UK version plug, and this is the charging dock, which the RoboVac will go home to charge. So Eufy vacuums, of course, will be accompanied by the app for main operation, but of course you could just use the remote control as well. So we'll show you how to set it up on the phone, and then we're going to show you how to put it all together and all the bits included. So as it arrives, the brush is already assembled, so we simply press on these tabs and pull it out. And this is what the brush looks like, so square end and then circle end here, so you can't mix it up the other way. Make sure the square lines up, and then put the cover back on. Now these little brush attachments should clip into place. It's like a square, click, click, and we're almost ready to go. We just need to take off these tabs and peel out these. For emptying it, simply just press on here and pull it out. Okay, to open it, just pull on the tab there. So inside you already get a filter pre-installed, but of course you can take that out, put a fresh one in, give this one a clean. It does say air dry the filter after washing, so really important that that is really bone dry. Place it back in and clips into place there. So let's get the app sorted out and we will give it a spin. Add a new device. Robot vacuum. Now we're going to add our vac, which is the 15C Max. Okay, add it to your Wi-Fi network. Turn on the device. Next, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, choose the Eufy network. Give it a name. I'm going to give it Romy. Okay, so Romy's there charging underneath. It just so happens to fit nicely under the bookshelf. So you can use the remote, or you can use the app, or you can set a schedule. But right now I'm just going to go automatic mode. And here he goes. It's not very noisy. So motion detection doesn't bang into me, it senses. Let's see how it copes on the carpet. Of course, you can use the remote as well to make it go where you want, if you want to find a tricky area, but otherwise it will just keep going. Also, you can do what's called a spot clean by pressing this circular button. So spot clean is one small section that it will circle. It's on high power mode, so this is the loudest it will go. And yeah, it's just circling around this area. And then this button here changes the suction power. Let's go to automatic mode. And then press the suction power button. So now it's slightly louder. You don't mind it, do you, Izzy? You don't mind it? Okay, now this is on full power. You can set a quick 30-minute quick clean. So as you can see, we received an error message. So it says the rolling brush is stuck with debris. So yeah, my dog is molting right now. So it's, yeah, really bad. Oh, there we go, look, bit of blue tack stuck in there. So it's really great that this tells you, you know, what the problem is, what to do, fix it. And yeah, this needs to be emptied. So it's only been running for about half an hour and it's already picked up all of that hair. So it's really great. So with this, I'm going to use the tool to cut this hair off. So we've got our trusty cleaning brush, got a little blade on it. So let's see how this performs. And there we go, comes off nice and easy. So there we go, that's the tool. And then of course you can use the brush bit just to clean around the inside. Okay, so let's send him home. And you just press the home button, this charge button, there. And then he's gonna find his way home. So I've let him run around the house and he's always found his way home. He's never been stuck. And there we go. Back into the dock. And that's it. Inside the app, there are different functions. So of course you can use the multi-directional button, turn it on, move it forwards, backwards, etc. And then you can select the different modes. So you've got the automatic mode, the 30-minute quick clean, spot clean mode, and then the edge cleaning mode. Then you can set a schedule. So I currently set it to 9 o'clock every morning, and then it will just do its thing, and then it will go back to its charger roughly in 100 minutes. Then of course, if you press that home button there, that will send it back to the charger. If you press the find button, RoboVac will make an alert noise to let you know where it is. Click that button and it will ping a sound. Of course, you can check the firmware update, make sure it's up to date. You can share it with someone else, add a member. So someone else in your household can then access the app and control Romy as well. Now, one great thing I have to say about Eufy is their customer service is really fantastic. So through the app, it will advise on anything that you may need. You know, replace a rubber strip, the sensor, the filter, rolling brush, etc., side brushes, and it actually gives you instructions on how to do it. And then you can go to purchase it, and it will show you, you know, how much it costs, etc., in a little shop. So for example, $10.99 for 4 replacement brushes. So it's not overly expensive at all. So you can just replace all of these whenever you need to. But yeah, customer support at Eufy are really fantastic, very responsive. If you have any issues, then they get back to you very, very quickly. And aside from that, that's the app. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. If you're in the market for a budget RoboVac cleaner, then I would certainly recommend Eufy. Really fantastic customer service. The parts are not expensive to replace. So if you want to get hold of it, you can click the link below in the description. Stay tuned for more videos in the future. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.